Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Zangi. In order to do so, here we are in the Zangi app for iOS, and we'll just take a look here at the different functions. So you could see here that in our calls section, we can enter in a Zangi number. And the Zangi number you can find in a few different places, but easiest place to find it here is in your chats. You can find your Zangi number there, and you can share it with anybody so that they can call you. And this is one of the neat things about Zangi is that it has a designated Zangi number that's not your personal phone number. And Zangi is a highly secure messaging app. It does not save your conversations. It uses a peerless network and it has military grade security. So your conversations and are not being saved and cannot be provided to anybody. So that's where Zangi is a different type of messenger. Also, it uses a very low bandwidth decryption so that your conversations, you can have quality conversations even if you are on a low quality network. We could see here, we can open up our uh, calls and we can enter in our number. We can add contacts. We can invite anybody in our contacts list. We can click the plus sign up here at the top in order to add a name and a Zangi number. And if we go over here to security, then we our settings, we can see here that we have our Zangi number. We can subscribe to Zangi Premium, but Zangi has a free version and claims to be always free. They're never going to require you to make a payment, but you can use Zangi Premium to send unlimited full resolution media and have huge 1,000 member calls. So those are some of the interesting options that you have there with Zangi. And let's just take a look here. We have data storage, we have notifications, languages we can change. And let's go ahead and take a look at the appearance option here. So we can see that we have a few different options. We can change it to classic, or we can go to dark mode. Why wouldn't you want dark mode? And we can even change our background here. So we can choose from our photos. And let's just take a quick look here at the how to use Zangi. So what you're going to do is you're going to share your private number. You can invite your friends. You can add contacts. You can type and you can call. And let's take a closer look at the FAQs here as well. And we'll just see what is Zangi. So I just wanted to focus here on the information here regarding what makes Zangi different. So you're in charge of your conversation. Zangi does not store or give out your personal information or messages to anyone. The Zangi system is serverless. It has a peer-to-peer technology. Your calls and messages are performed without a server or direct connection and are decentralized. So that's really important. 3 levels of robust encryption. Unlike others, Zangi encrypts the entire scheme with multi-level, multi-grade, military-grade encryption, ensuring the complete confidentiality and authenticity of calls and messages, even across the most vulnerable or hostile networks. There's another thing here. Who is Zangi for? So this is something I think that's important to point out. For the traveler on a budget, for journalists, activists, lawyers, etc. So if you are very interested in security and you want to make sure that nobody's monitoring your calls, then you can use Zangi. That's what Zangi is really for. Also, it says here for the 21st century human being, for privacy conscious user and everyone who needs a communication platform for work, family, friends, networks, social life. Zangi provides high quality audio calls with crystal clear voice and quality free video chat with uninterrupted and realistic video. It's also for companies and communities that need complete enterprise security and easy to use platform to protect communications across teams and with clients and partners. Also, Zangi is absolutely free and always will be. It has no ads. It saves your data and If you would like to make calls to non-Zangi contacts, you can do so by buying Zangi out credits at very low rates. This is only available for iOS. So those are some very important things to note about Zangi, and I would say that based on what it is describing itself as, I would definitely recommend something like this if you are somebody for whom security and privacy is very important, and also just the fact that it offers you a designated Zangi number, so you don't have to use your own phone number. That's very interesting. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.